Hello, this is John from Currencies. This is a weekly review number 311. And in this video we're going to be talking about the dollar Swiss franc. We had 13 total signals, 4 losers, 9 winners for a 69% winning percentage, and plus 83 pips for the week. Our first order was a black short at 90.38. Per our candle rule, we removed the order after 7 candles for a -2 at 90.40 for a -2. Went almost a full day without having another signal. And if you remember on the euro dollar and the pound dollar, we had a lot of gray dots on either side of the market, again signifying that the market didn't have any direction at the time. We have this gray long at 90.26. We have a red dot validation at 90.33 for a +7. We are now short at 90.33. Because we have a dot with trend, we tend to hold those a little bit longer. We waited 10 candles and we exited at a +5 at 90.28. Again, after exiting this red dot, we see that the market basically was flatlined for about half of the day. We did see a down, finally this red dot, if we would have held it at this long, obviously we don't, but we had a reversal at 90.03 and a gray dot which we ignore because there's a breakout short. We ignored the gray dot long, but we're in the reversal. Obviously, we see that we were stopped out on our reversal, or excuse me, our breakout at a -60 pips. That's our stop. But our reversal, we held for a MACD cross. And the reason we did so is because the market started to turn up. We were in this particular signal first before our breakout, and the market kept on climbing. I tell everybody to, after our amount of candles that we have for validation, and after we have a validated signal going forward, I want people to manage each of these trades on a candle by candle basis. And here's a good example of if we would have taken it off the table after 5 or 6 candles, we would have missed out on a 70 pip run up and exiting on a MACD cross in this general area right here. MACD cross. Also, I want to talk about this also is that the pound and the euro both at the same time were selling off in the same manner. So we had 3 pairs, 2 correlated, 1 uncorrelated, or negatively correlated dollar Swiss franc, all going in the same direction, meaning that the dollar was accelerating or getting stronger over the other pairs. This here is another example of following and making sure that we see what is going on in the market. Here again, this yielded us a 70 pip winner, or just a minor winner after 7 or 8, 9 candles. We have a black short at 90.98. Take this out to 6 candles. Took it off the table at 90.96 for a +2. We have a black long at 90.74. And we have a gray long at 90.53. Both of these orders were taken off after dot validation here at 90.83. The black dot was a +11. The gray long was a +30. Now we're black short at 90.83. We took this particular 90.83 off at 7 candles for a -6. We had a breakout long at 91.15. We did get enough pips for this gray dot to validate. We took it off at 90.30 for a +3 on a gray dot validation. We don't take that dot in the opposite direction, but we use it as a exit strategy. We have a blue dot that validated at 91.44 and also a blue dot that validated at 91.60. Our first blue dot, we took it off after 10 candles for a +10. Our second blue dot was a MACD cross, which happened here at 92.01 for a +41. This is John from Currencies. This was the dollar Swiss franc. Have a good week.